मुझे यह रास्ता नहीं पता। I don't know this way. I don't know this way. क्या आप मुझे बस स्टॉप तक छोड़ सकते हैं? Can you drop me at the bus stop? Can you drop me at the bus stop? मैं पहली बार यहाँ आया हूँ। This is my first time here. This is my first time here. ट्रैफिक बहुत ज़्यादा है। The traffic is too much. The traffic is too much. यह बेहतर होगा अगर हम जल्दी निकलते हैं। It will be better if we leave early. It will be better if we leave early. स्टेशन यहाँ से कितना दूर है? How far is the station from here? How far is the station from here? मुझे एक गाइड की जरूरत है। I need a guide. I need a guide. वह झूठ बोल रहा है। He is lying. He is lying. मुझे तुम पर भरोसा है। I trust you. I trust you. यह काम बहुत जरूरी है। This work is very important. This work is very important. मुझे सब कुछ साफ साफ चाहिए। I want everything to be clear. I want everything to be clear. तुम बहुत तेज सीखते हो। You learn very fast. You learn very fast. वह हर किसी की मदद करता है। He helps everyone. He helps everyone. मुझे तुम्हारी राय चाहिए। I need your opinion. I need your opinion. हम सबको एक साथ काम करना होगा। We all need to work together. We all need to work together. मुझे आज आराम चाहिए। I need rest today. I need rest today. वह अपने काम में बहुत अच्छा है। He is very good at his work. He is very good at his work. मुझे सांप सूंघ गया था। I was completely speechless. I was completely speechless. उसने आसमान सिर पर उठा लिया। He created a huge scene. He created a huge scene. वह हाथ पर हाथ धरे बैठा था। He was sitting idle. He was sitting idle. मेरे होश उड़ गए। I was shocked. I was shocked. यह मेरे बस की बात नहीं है। This is beyond me. This is beyond me. वह अपनी दुनिया में खोया रहता है। He lives in his own world. He lives in his own world. उसने आग में घी डालने का काम किया। He added fuel to the fire. He added fuel to the fire. वह बातों का पक्का है। He keeps his word. He keeps his word. उसने दिल पर ले लिया। He took it to heart. He took it to heart. अब पछताने से क्या फायदा? What's the use of regretting now? What's the use of regretting now? यह बहुत मजेदार था। It was so fun. It was so fun. क्या तुम नाराज हो? Are you upset? Are you upset? मुझे स्टेशन जाना है. I need to go to the station. I need to go to the station. आप किस होटल में ठहरे हैं? Which hotel are you staying at? Which hotel are you staying at? मुझे यह खरीदना है. I want to buy this. I want to buy this. मैं रोज सुबह दौड़ता हूँ. I run every morning. I run every morning. उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया था. They had called me. They had called me. मैं 2 घंटे से इंतजार कर रहा हूँ. I have been waiting for 2 hours. I have been waiting for 2 hours. मैं गाना गा सकता हूँ. I can sing a song. I can sing a song. कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. It's okay. मुझे यह समझ नहीं आया. I didn't understand this. I didn't understand this. कृपया अंदर आइए. Please come in. Please come in. यह आसान नहीं था. It was not easy. It was not easy. मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. I don't know. तुमने जवाब क्यों नहीं दिया? Why didn't you answer? Why didn't you answer? क्या आप दोहरा सकते हैं? Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? तुमने यह किससे सीखा? From whom did you learn this? From whom did you learn this? क्या तुमने खाना खाया? Did you eat food? Did you eat food? इसे फिर से कहो. Say it again. Say it again. मैंने ऐसा कभी नहीं किया. I never did that. I never did that. अगर मुझे समय मिला तो मैं तुम्हारे घर आऊंगा. If I get time, I'll come to your house. If I get time, I'll come to your house. अगर तुम पहले बताते तो मैं रुक जाता. If you had told me earlier, I would have stayed. If you had told me earlier, I would have stayed. अगर वह सच कहता तो मैं उस पर भरोसा करता. If he had told me the truth, I would have trusted him. If he had told me the truth, I would have trusted him. अगर मैं जानता तो मैं तुम्हें मना कर देता. If I had known, I would have stopped you. If I had known, I would have stopped you. अगर मौका मिला तो मैं वहां जरूर जाऊंगा. If I get a chance, I will surely go there. If I get a chance, I will surely go there. काश मैं तुम्हारी मदद कर पाता. I wish I could help you. I wish I could help you. तुमने यह कहां से खरीदा? Where did you buy this from? Where did you buy this from? क्या यह तुम्हारा है? Is this yours? Is this yours? मुझे भूख लगी है. I am hungry. I am hungry. क्या तुम मेरे लिए खाना ला सकते हो? Can you bring me some food? Can you bring me some food? मैं घर पहुंच चुका हूं. I have reached home. I have reached home. क्या तुमने लाइट बंद की? Did you turn off the light? Did you turn off the light? मैं तुम्हें बाद में कॉल करता हूं. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. दरवाजा कौन खटखटा रहा है? Who is knocking on the door? Who is knocking on the door? अभी बहुत देर हो गई है. It's very late now. It's very late now. सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. मुझे हवाई अड्डे तक जाना है. I need to go to the airport. I need to go to the airport. यह ट्रेन कहाँ जाती है? Where does this train go? Where does this train go? यहाँ सबसे अच्छा होटल कौन सा है? Which is the best hotel here? Which is the best hotel here?